सेकंड्स में हम लोग शुरू करेंगे with question answers. Everyone who has questions, you can post your questions in the chat and we will be answering questions today. So जो भी लोग practice कर रहे हैं इतने दिन से, and in fact you can even stay back to listen to the questions of whatever questions people have. So उससे भी आपको सीखने मिलेगा. जिनको भी अपनी practice के बारे में जो भी questions share करने हैं, stay back and we will be doing this question answer session. Also, I will be calling out some of the questions which I had in the past. So those answers also I will give today. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining in. And yes, take 1 minute and just finish whatever you have to finish. Till then, we will continue with whatever questions all of you have. Questions chat box में डालिए और वहां से मैं read करते जाऊंगी. And we can start answering your questions. Okay? Super nice. So also many people were asking about us, where are we staying, what is our profession, what do we do? So let me also till that time take that time and introduce who we are, what we do. Just an informal introduction. मेरे को बहुत time से इसका एक video बनाना था, but I just couldn't gather proper time and space. I have not yet created a video on that. So again, just an introduction. Myself, my name is Mimansha Romil and my partner Romil Chhadwa. We both are staying at Auroville. And so in Auroville, Auroville is a city in India only, and we stay here. Okay, so I have started getting questions also. Yes, it is okay to do morning walks. No problem. Feel relaxed and feel normal, because anytime after doing the walk, you can come back and do Shuddhikaran. अगर कुछ भी अंदर चला गया है तो वो वापस बाहर निकल जाएगा, है ना? एनी टाइम. इनफैक्ट यस, दिस इज व्हाट आई वांट टू एक्चुअली टेल यू ऑल ऑफ यू गाइस. अगर आप कोई भी पब्लिक प्लेस पे जा रहे हैं और आपको डर लग रहा है कि यू नो हाउ डू आई गो देयर एंड क्या होगा, सो डेफिनेटली जब जरूरत है तब हमको बाहर जाना पड़ रहा है. I can understand, but when you're going out, of course you're taking all the precaution measures, but also see to it that when you come back home, after you wash your hands and after you're done with cleaning up yourself, you can do Shuddhikaran pranayam, you know, closing one nostril. 5 मिनट के लिए शुद्धिकरण प्राणायाम कर लीजिए. सो अगर बाय चांस भी आपने कुछ इनहेल किया है तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली एक्सेल इट आउट एंड यू कैन जस्ट रिमूव आउट एनीथिंग दैट यू हैव taken in from the atmosphere. Shuddhikaran is a very good pranayam. It completely removes out all the virus, all the toxics, all the cough, everything out from your windpipe and your nose pipe, right? So definitely no problem. Do your morning walk, take all the precaution measures, and also come back, clean yourself and do this as well. Yes, so that was Rakhi's question. And thank you all for wonderful wishes and blessings. And Ela ma'am is asking, ma'am, for digestion and acidity, any pranayam? Yes, for acidity, there is one more pranayam that you can do. It is called Shitli pranayam. So in Shitli pranayam, we do, आपका जो टंग है, इसको आप दांत के पीछे ऐसे रख के, जैसे कुछ तिखा लगता है तब हम कैसा करते हैं, and then from your mouth you do breathe out like this. Okay, so Shitali pranayam is very good for acidity pranayam, and whenever you have acidity, definitely you can do some rounds of Shitali pranayam. And for digestion, all the pranayams are helpful for digestion, especially Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati is very good for digestion, but some people say Kapalbhati with acidity is not good, but I have not felt like that anytime personally. I do Kapalbhati every day and it removes out all the toxics out of my body. So you can test, if you have acidity, you can first do Shitali. You can drink warm water. That is the best test. Garam pani sabse bada ilaj hai. अगर आप रोज गर्म पानी पीते हैं तो आपका एसिडिटी प्रॉब्लम, फैट लॉस प्रॉब्लम, जहां जहां आपको बहुत सारा टफ फैट जो बोलते हैं वो भी सारा मेल्ट होने लगता है सिर्फ और सिर्फ गर्म पानी से. गर्म पानी इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो यस, एसिडिटी इफ यू हैव, ट्राई टू ड्रिंक एज हॉट, जितना सहन होता है, as much as you can bear, that much hot water drink, and then you will see that acidity is gone. You can also add jaggery to your water, hot water. That is also very good for acidic people. And every day you can drink 1 liter of jaggery hot water in the morning, and your acidity will never come back. Yeah. So yes, Shitli pranayam also is one good pranayam, and Kapalbhati is very good pranayam for digestion as well. Why did I choose these 5 pranayams only? So because these are the most beneficial 5 basic pranayams that are basically good for, more intake of oxygen. So first of all, I chose Shuddhikaran because of the times, the corona and all the fear that is in the air, and that people are, wanting to get more strong and immune. So Shuddhikaran is one cleansing pranayam. Then we have Kapalbhati, which is a pranayam which removes out all the diseases. It is a sister pranayam with Shuddhikaran, and also it removes out diseases from your organs. So that's why Shuddhikaran, Kapalbhati was added. And Kapalbhati is an evergreen pranayam. You everybody should practice Kapalbhati for sure. And same is Bhastrika. Bhastrika, the deep breathing pranayam, it's very important to open your lungs, take in more oxygen, inhale more, and practice. So everyone knows कि exercise करने से हमारे lungs की capacity बढ़ते जाती है. कोई भी muscles exercise करने से कोई भी muscle strong होता है. So these are all the exercises, especially Bhastrika is the exercise for opening the muscles of your lungs. So Bhastrika is important for that reason. And same, we are doing Brahmari because it calms your mind, it gets you in the present moment, it relaxes you. Anulom Vilom makes your mind focused, comes into the present moment. जो भी tension है, जो भी सारा imbalance है, उसको relax कर देता है. So that's the reasons we chose these 5 pranayams, because they completely balance our day. It gives us a very good start, a kick start, right? So, and it's also important to inhale more oxygen. That was our main theme and motto to start this, कि पूरे कंट्री में हम लोग ये स्प्रेड करें कि खुद का ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर हमारे पास है तो उसको ही स्ट्रॉन्गर करते हैं और उसको ही भरते जाते हैं. So that was the reason to choose that 5 pranayams, Dr. Jagruti. Thanks for asking. Without mask, it's a contradictory question. Please follow your gut feelings in that. I would not comment on this. I personally wear a mask sometimes, and I sometimes don't wear. It is as per my gut feeling. Just follow your gut feeling. Wear a mask. I would not say don't wear a mask, but keep washing your mask also. Continuously, it is important, क्योंकि हमारे खुद के breath, हमारे खुद के श्वास का जो बैक्टीरिया है वो भी मास्क में कलेक्ट हो रहा है. So it is important when you're wearing a mask, wash your mask regularly, like your clothes. Yeah, that is very important. Please continue. Tina is saying, please continue with the class after 21 days. That is the plan. We are considering that. We are, planning it, putting it in the schedule. I will be announcing it, but for that you have to continue first practicing with me for the next 8 days continuously. Okay, Ila ji? पहले आपको full 8 दिन, next 8 दिन पूरा complete करना है हमारे साथ. Okay. So my left nostril is with mucus only with this. Why with this? Yeah, right is always open. So it is, Dr. Vijay is asking, so yes, yesterday also one person had asked why my one nostril is full with mucus and I'm not able to practice. It is possible because our left and our right brains work differently. So for different people, they have different blocks in their body. It is completely as per yourself. Whenever you will start doing pranayam, first all your blocks will come out. Earlier, I also used to get one nostril block, so much block that I used to do so good breathing from one, and the next one just was always blocked. Just keep doing it. Just keep doing it, and automatically the balance will come. Do Anulom Vilom more number of times. Do Shuddhikaran more number of times from the nostril which is blocked. Even right now I'm getting nosy. So whenever I get this, I do quickly on the go also, and then just remove it out. Because for me, I'm not used to so much light in front of me. So sometimes I get this, and then I do Shuddhikaran and remove it out. On constantly शुद्धिकरण तो आप कभी भी कर सकते हैं, मतलब चलते फिरते भी कर सकते हो. अगर आपको नोज ब्लॉक फील हो रहा है, वहीं के वहीं करके रुमाल से निकाल दो. जो नॉस्ट्रल में ब्लॉक है उधर ज्यादा करो. ओके, सुपर. Sometimes my left nostril. Okay. One more person is asking the same question. Is it normal if your left nostril is blocked more? Yes, it is completely normal. And it is a part of the process. Keep doing it and it will get better and better. Okay. In Kapalbhati, inhale or exhale. Exhale. Kapalbhati is every time just exhale from your nose. You have to continuously exhale. The inhalation happens automatically. Okay, Prakash? Yes, रमेश जी पूछ रहे वजन कम करने का उपाय बताइए. कपालभाति, वजन कम करना है जितने भी लोगों को, कपालभाति आपको दिन में आधा घंटा करना है. आधा से 45 मिनट, आधे घंटे से 45 मिनट्स का एक स्लॉट ढूंढिए एंड कपालभाति कीजिए. आपका वजन मिराक्युलसली कम होने लगेगा. और गर्म पानी पीना है, अगर पॉसिबल है पूरा दिन गर्म पानी पीजिए. मैं और रोमिल हम लोग दोनों पूरा दिन गर्म पानी ही पीते. We have our bottles constantly with us. We keep filling up with warm water and we have warm water for the full day. So for fat loss, warm water and Kapalbhati, keep doing it and you will see miracles. And definitely exercise. Exercise तो definitely करना है. Constantly अगर आप कोई trainer appoint कर सकते हैं जो रोज आके आपको exercise करवाए, that's the best way to exercise for me. So because अगर ट्रेनर घर पे आ रहा है तो हम लोग उसको स्किप नहीं करेंगे. और अभी ऑनलाइन भी बहुत सारे क्लासेस हो रहे हैं, योगा के क्लास हो रहे हैं, कितने सारे फिटनेस क्लासेस हो रहे हैं. इनफैक्ट हमारे क्लास में भी बहुत सारे यहाँ पे ट्रेनर्स है. मेरे आंट है निमी फुई, वो खुद भी एक योगा ट्रेनर है. So you can find some class, join a class and do that exercise every day. Okay. Yes. Okay, रमेश जी, अभी प्रैक्टिस करके हमको रिजल्ट बताइए नेक्स्ट 8 दिन में. ओके. Yes, Krishna is asking totally how many pranayams available for Mahagurus. Mahagurus, I don't know. And I don't know total how many pranayams are available. I have never gone through the entire list, but there are many more pranayams. Like there is one pranayam for the throat, like you pull your voice like this and you know that is good for thyroid. There are many more pranayams also. But what we are doing, the 5 pranayams, they are like evergreen pranayams and they also cover up most of the diseases and all of the diseases. That's why we are doing those 5 pranayams. But you have specifically some problem, you can definitely check it on YouTube also, that there for this problem which one pranayam. So there are many pranayams. Okay, so I don't know the full list of total how many pranayams are there. There are many variations and many people also come up with their own variations. So definitely there are many pranayams as far as what I know. Vandana ji, thank you so much for your lovely appreciation. वैशाली is asking, कई बार कपालभाति करने के समय हिचकी आती है, क्या करें? पानी पी लीजिए. जब ऐसा होता है तभी आप जस्ट हल्का सा 1 गिलास पानी पी लीजिए अगर हिचकी आ रही है, और थोड़ा नॉर्मल ब्रीदिंग ले लीजिए वापस. सो वापस से फिर it will come back to normal. If you are getting हिचकी, even yawning आ रहा है तो it's fine, yawning कर लीजिए and then again continue. Okay. Yeah, some people had asked, is it normal that I'm getting a lot of yawning? It is completely normal. When you're getting yawning means your body is asking for more oxygen and it is pulling in more oxygen from the air. So completely okay, and just let your body yawn, completely fine. You can cover your mouth if you feel shy and then come back to the practice. Okay. So bagasa आना, हिचकी आना, cough आना, खांसी आना, सब normal है. It is a part of the cleansing process. Okay. All right, Vaishali. Yes, Vichu is asking hand positions while doing all these pranayams. You can do Dhyan Mudra. You can do Gyan Mudra. So there are many mudras. Mudras पे एक बहुत बड़ा science है. Or you can just simply also keep your hands down and you can practice these pranayams. There is no such fixed hand positions except for Brahmari where we do our hand fingers like this. Rest all the pranayams, you can definitely keep your hands down normally, or you can also sit in any of the mudras. So while you're doing pranayam, you also get the benefits of the mudras. Mudras is a completely different science and a different topic also. It is helpful for us. Just 1 minute, Romil, this guy is shouting outside, the cat. So we feed the cat every day at this time with milk and he's very punctual. He will definitely come at that particular time and he has to drink milk at that time. So usko hum roz doodh pilate hai ye time pe. तो पंक्चुअली आ ही जाता है ये टाइम पे दूध मांगने के लिए और चिल्लाता है जब तक नहीं देते तब तक. So yeah, okay. So yes, so hand positions Vichu can be anyone. Thanks, Romil. And yes, Aruna is asking for immunity and body pain. If you're having body pain, Anu, do more of Bhastrika, the oxygen intake. If you will do more of the Bhastrika, slowly your body will start getting more oxygen and more energy. Body pain का मतलब है कि आपके body में सारे अंग तक blood और oxygen 100% नहीं पहुंच रहा है जितना उसको चाहिए, right? And exercise is also one way. So when you will do exercise and when you will stop doing exercise also, your body will pain. So again, exercising is a way to reduce that body pain. Slowly your muscles have to start getting stronger. You have to start developing stronger muscles and stronger core muscles. Also, Pilates is very good for core muscles. I do Pilates exercise regularly for my core muscles and धीरे धीरे उससे back problem, आपके body का strength, ये सब कुछ भी increase हो जाता है and it really is very helpful. So yes, core muscle exercises also you can practice and you can practice more of in pranayam, you can practice more of the Bhastrika pranayam. Do it every day 10-15 baar to increase your levels of oxygen and slowly your body will start getting more oxygen and more blood supply and the pain should reduce. But please find time for yourself and exercise also. Give yourself some time and do at least 15 minutes. Start with 10 minutes or 15 minutes, but do it like every day, like a regular practice, and you will find the difference. Okay. Surya Namaskar is one asana. Suppose if you are a very busy person and you don't have time, you can do one Surya Namaskar in one day also. Start with that much. If you are very busy, you don't have time, start with that. Okay. Yes, Urmi is asking which pranayam for arthritis. I have not studied about that, which pranayam for arthritis, but I can definitely look it up and I can let you know. Yeah. शुद्धिकरण एक के बाद एक नॉस्ट्रिल से करने का फायदा होगा. हाँ. सो एक नॉस्ट्रिल से पहले करना है और फिर दूसरे नॉस्ट्रिल से करना है, डेफिनेटली उसका फायदा होगा. यस, उसका डेफिनेटली फायदा होगा. और क्या फायदा होगा उसका मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया है, पूरा वीडियो भी आप देख सकते हैं. इन शॉर्ट आपकी पूरी नॉस्ट्रिल से जितना भी कचरा है आपके बॉडी से, जितना भी कचरा है वो निकलना शुरू हो जाएगा, अंदर वायरस निकलना शुरू हो जाएगा और कॉफ, कोल्ड, वो सब कुछ बाहर निकलना शुरू हो जाएगा. Varsha, what do you do for constipation? Hot water. Hot water is the best thing for constipation. Some people also have isabgol. I have heard my parents having isabgol also. But what I practice is hot water continuously. And sometimes what I do is I don't eat food and I just go on a milk and water diet. So that is a completely different type of practice that I do to cleanse my body. And that also removes out all the constipation and all the kachra from the intestine. Okay. So any of the cleansing diets you can follow. And hot water, if you start drinking throughout the day, you will see that eventually you will not have much constipation left. And stop eating grains if you are having a lot of constipation problem. अगर आपको बहुत सारा constipation problem हो रहा है तो अनाज खाना बंद कर दीजिए. At least start with stopping wheat. गेहूं खाना बंद कर दीजिए, उधर से शुरू कर सकते हो. अगर आपको कंटिन्यूसली कॉन्स्टिपेशन प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, थोड़े दिन के लिए एटलीस्ट अनाज खाना बंद कर दीजिए एंड यू विल स्टार्ट फीलिंग बेटर एंड यू विल फील मोर एनर्जेटिक ऑल्सो. ओके, सो यस, Kavita ma'am is also saying yes, we want to continue with this every day. Yes, we are planning. I'm going to announce what we will do also within after the practice of 8 days, but for that you all have to stick for the next 8 days. Don't miss a class, don't bunk. Rakhi, I asked you yesterday regarding sleep and constipation. Yes. So did you get your answer, Rakhi ji, about the sleep and constipation problem? So for getting regular sleep, what you can do is before sleeping, you can do these pranayams, especially which are the calming down pranayams, that is Bhastrika, Brahmari. You can do these pranayams before sleeping. Also, before sleeping, you can take a nice shower, like a hot water or a cold water, sometimes hot, sometimes cold, depending on the body temperature and you know how you're feeling. But shower also will relax your body. एक shower ले लेंगे सोने के पहले तो भी आपका body calm feel करेगा, relax करेगा feel, और you know आप ready हो जाएंगे सोने के लिए और fresh हो जाएंगे. Okay, so yes, आप प्राणायाम में अगर आपको करना है तो आप भस्त्रिका कर सकते हैं, भ्रामरी कर सकते हैं सोने के पहले, अच्छा नींद आएगा. Yeah. Archana is asking, practicing these pranayams daily will reduce belly's fat. Yes, it will, and you can increase the timings. हम लोग हर एक प्राणायाम को 5-5 बार कर रहे हैं. आप throughout the day भी उसको और 10-15 मिनट increase कर सकते हैं. Especially आप कपालभाति अगर आधा घंटा करेंगे रोज, तो आपका belly fat mobilize होना शुरू कर देगा. But you have to do it as a will every day. And also, yes, belly fat is a very crucial topic and it is a point of concern for many people. And you can also do many other things like diet, like exercising, like follow your body rhythm. But सबसे important is your willpower. I also say this, that you have to put your willpower on the belly fat. कि मेरे को ये करना है एज अ टारगेट, उसको लेना पड़ेगा, तभी जाके उस पे आपका फोकस आएगा और फिर आप उसके तरफ आगे बढ़ेंगे. राइट? अगर आपने उसको ऐसा जस्ट ठीक है करना है कैजुअली करेंगे तो हुआ कि नहीं हुआ, इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी श्योर. जस्ट डू इट एज अ फोकस, डू इट एज अ टारगेट, एंड यू शुड सी दैट द रिजल्ट्स विल स्टार्ट कमिंग. ओके. And for pranayam, if you want to do, you can do Kapalbhati for half an hour every day, and you can see what results you get. What to do to improve memory? Sarika is asking. Memory ke liye, Anulom Vilom is a very good pranayam because it improves your focus, it improves your concentration, and also Bhastrika is a very good pranayam because it increases the oxygen levels of the brain. So these two things are definitely the ones which improve memory, but definitely there are workshops. I also used to take memory workshops, and there are techniques and tricks that you can learn also and practice to improve your memory. So one very important thing about memory is that memory is never good or never bad. Okay, everybody has the same amount of memory, and that is unlimited. That's the most and important thing that I used to tell in my workshop, that आपकी memory अच्छी या बुरी नहीं है. The only difference of your memory is आपकी memory trained या untrained है. या तो आपने अपनी memory को train किया है कुछ चीजों के लिए जो आप याद रख लेते हो, और कुछ चीजों के लिए आपने train नहीं किया है जो आप याद नहीं रख सकते हो. Okay, so आपको memory को continuously train करना है. Training your memory is important regularly. Everyone has unlimited capacity of memory. Unlimited. It's only upon how you train your memory, and that's where you will start realizing कि जो आपकी favorite चीज है वो आप नहीं भूलते हो, and जो आपको नहीं याद रखना है, जो ठीक है इतना important नहीं है, वो हम भूल जाते हैं. हम नहीं भूलते हमारी दवा खाना या अगर वो हमारे लिए बहुत ही important है. हमारे लिए अगर like हमारा body सांस लेना नहीं भूलता है, हमारा body digestion नहीं भूलता है. So memory is not a problem. Where you're focusing is the problem. Okay. So definitely you have to train your memory. Training is important. And that's how you can get sharper and sharper with remembering more number of things. Nose block can be related to sleep habits. Yes, it can be related to sleep habits. अगर आप enough नहीं sleep दे रहे हो body को भी enough नींद की जरूरत है. At least 8 घंटा normal नींद होता है. कुछ लोग 5 या 6 घंटे में भी manage कर सकते हैं. But minimum 6 hours, 5 hours is an average, and 8 hours is a good amount of sleep for your body. Okay. And if you're not able to find that time, then meditation is the answer. अगर आपके पास बहुत काम है और इतना नहीं सो पा रहे तो मेडिटेशन से आप थोड़े आवर्स बाय कर सकते हैं, बिकॉज 15 minutes of meditation is equal to 1 hour of sleep. Okay, so you can learn meditation and you can learn practicing more and more meditation. That will also help you to reduce sleep problems. That will also help you to reduce health problems. Meditation is a very, very powerful and magical technique. Okay. So in fact, we do practice a lot more meditations than we do. हम लोग अभी रोज सुबह achievement meditation कर रहे हैं, but meditation के बहुत सारे अलग-अलग प्रकार होते हैं. हम लोग भी बहुत सारे अलग-अलग प्रकार सिखाते हैं और जरूरी है रोज दिन में अगर आपके पास टाइम है तो 1 घंटा अगर आप कर सकते हो meditation, that is the best thing. And if not, start with 5 minutes. मैं अपने 5 AM ग्रुप में हम लोगों ने एक 5 मिनट का मेडिटेशन शुरू किया था और उसको फिर धीरे धीरे हम इंक्रीज करते जाएंगे. जैसे अभी हम लोग रोज 5 से 7 मिनट सुबह कर रहे हैं, फिर उसको आप 10-15 मिनट दिन में करिए और फिर ऐसे 15 मिनट से 20 मिनट पे जाइए. ऐसे धीरे धीरे अपने कैपेसिटी इंक्रीज करते जाइए फॉर मेडिटेशन. Meditation will slowly help you to reduce your balance your sleep problems, your uneasiness, and it has a lot of it's like a whole big chapter. It has many benefits, meditation. Okay, so yes, nose block can be because of sleep problems, and you can reduce sleep problems by sleeping more or meditation. Rakhi is asking also, after practicing for 5 days with you, I yawn a lot. It's fine. I also yawn till now. That is completely fine. Yawning is not a problem. Let your body balance itself. Don't judge your body. Everybody's body is different. Sometimes you are low and sometimes you are high. उससे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. सिर्फ रोज आप कर रहे हो उससे फर्क पड़ता है. Every day you're doing this practice, that is important. If you're able to do it this much, if you're not able to do this much, it is not important. And it is not at all important for your body to be like somebody else's body. There is no perfection. Okay, your body is your perfect indicator. Follow it. अगर आप ऐसे सुनेंगे उसको, एक second pause करके, it will tell you what to do. Okay, so follow the rhythm, but the important thing is to do it every day. या किसी दिन अगर नहीं मन कर रहा है तो स्लोली कर लीजिए, थोड़ा कम टाइम कीजिए, बट डू इट, डोंट स्किप इट. व्हेन वी स्किप इट, पहले हम लोग ऐसा सोचते थे कि चलो संडे को नहीं रखेंगे क्लास, बट इफ यू स्किप इट, इट इज फिनिश्ड. फिर मंडे आना बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है वापस, राइट? इवन इफ यू आर डूइंग इट रेगुलरली, try to do this things which is for yourself every day. Don't give it a holiday. जो अपने आप के लिए हम चीजें करते हैं, जैसे एक्सरसाइज, प्राणायाम, मेडिटेशन, जो सारे हैबिट्स हमको डेवलप करने हैं, उसमें हॉलीडे मत लो. वो सारी चीजें रोज करो. ठीक है? So yes, it is possible you can yawn and it is possible you can cough, and ऐसा उसमें कुछ भी नहीं. अरे इतने टाइम से कर रहे हैं तो भी हमें ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, ऐसा उसमें कोई ऐसा रूल्स नहीं है एंड ना ही कोई जजमेंट है. सो बिंदास yawn करो. Okay, and अगर if you want you cover your mouth, that's all. Yeah. Yes, one more question from Krishna. What pranayam for increasing concentration and removing distractions? Anulom Vilom. That's the best pranayam to increase concentration and remove distraction. Anulom Vilom is the best way to increase your focus levels. How many of you have felt by doing Anulom Vilom, you're increasing your focus and concentration? Yeah. Even I have started experimenting in that. Suppose in the day also, I'm feeling too many thoughts and too much carried away. Then I'm doing quickly 5-6 times Anulom Vilom, and then again I get back to track. Yeah, so you can also experiment the same thing. If you're getting too many thoughts, getting carried away, just quickly do anulom vilom. And if it is a pattern, suppose if it is something which is a pattern in yourself, put alarms in your phone. Every 2 hours, every 1 hour, एक alarm डाल दीजिए phone में. And whenever the alarm rings, do anulom vilom. Like this, remind yourself. Okay, so like this, you will slowly start the practice, and your concentration will start getting better, and your thoughts will get lesser, and you will feel better with your focus. Yeah, and the best way to focus is also अपने phone को हमेशा साथ में मत रखिए. Have times of yourself away from phone also, because phone is also okay, that's another topic. It's a big topic as well, but try to implement this also. Have in a day 1 hour or half an hour where you can stay away from the phone as much as you can. Practice this also. That will also help you to increase your focus levels eventually. Okay. Where is the next question? Today I joined. What pranayam to increase? Yes. So now Bharti is asking, today I joined, so I want earlier recording. How can I get it? So Bharti ji, I have recorded one general video about the 5 practices of pranayam. It is in the group description. If you are a part of the group, you can check in the group description, video 2. In that, I have explained all the pranayams in detail. So whichever pranayams you missed from today's session, you can practice it looking at from that video also. Okay. And no problem if you join late, guys. Sometimes उसके लिए आप मिस मत करिए सेशन पूरा का पूरा, बिकॉज उससे आपको जो एनर्जी आएगी उससे आप फ्रेश फील करेंगे, एंड बाकी के प्राणायाम आप दिन में कवर अप कर लीजिए, राइट? Krishna is asking, which is the pranayam to remove anger? I think all of them. When you will start practicing all these pranayams, slowly your anger will start getting managed. And when you have too much anger, for example, you can do anulom vilom, because that balances your mood and hormones also. So you can instantly at that moment do anulom vilom. And if you can manage yourself, also do a little bit of bhastrika, follow it up with bhastrika. And then finally do Brahmari and calm yourself down if you have that much time. But instantly, if you want to do anulom vilom, that should also help, like a quick one. Okay, but all these 5 pranayams for sure. Okay, ma'am, thank you so much. Pranayams are so beautiful. Prakash ji, thank you so much. Krishna, what premium service and your team offers for employees, self-employed, small business owners, business owners? So we run an academy called Lifestyle Academy, and there we have a lot of workshops and programs for business owners and for employees. Especially just on Monday, tomorrow, I am starting with my achievement gym for entrepreneurs and achievers, whoever wants to take up any one target and wants to achieve it 100%. So it's going to be a 21 days practice where I'm going to share tools and techniques, and you guys will be implementing them and finishing your targets. So that's what also we do. So yes, we take up workshops regularly. From regular time to time, we take different types of workshops on productivity, time management, and we also do workshops related to how do you 10x your productivity. How do you, like, my main forte is on around achievement. I help entrepreneurs and business owners to achieve their targets 100%, and me and Romil together, because I'm an achievement coach and Romil is a solutions coach. So we together help people solve their problems, and we do personal coaching as well as we do group coaching. Yeah. Thanks for asking. Minimum how many pranayams to perform in daily routine? These 5 pranayams which we do are good to practice for a daily routine. Yeah. So definitely go for it. And these 5 pranayams are minimum to do on a day-to-day basis. इसमें ज़्यादा time भी नहीं लग रहा है, हर एक को सिर्फ 4-5 मिनट लग रहा है. And suppose आप पूरे दिन एक साथ बैठ के नहीं कर सकते, तो टुकड़े में भी कर सकते हो. No, जब 5 मिनट मिलता है, whenever you get 5 minutes, you do that pranayam. And then again, whenever you get another 5 minutes, you do another pranayam. Like that, you can keep going on. Right? Okay, Krishna, I hope I've answered your questions. And I'm also, I will also put my website in the chat. So everyone who wants to know more about the programs that we do, you can check the website as well. Right now, the website is also under an upgrade. You will find my previous programs details, my latest programs, I'm just upgrading in it. Lifestyle.academy, lifestyle is with a Y. Okay, so you can save it and you can check it later on. In fact, I have a whole presentation about all the activities that we do. If I get time right now after the questions, I might run it through quickly for all of you guys. And okay, wait, I'm just scrolling up for the questions. Yes, Dr. Vijaya, plan a trip in Auroville for meditation. Yeah, Auroville is the best place. In fact, right now outside it will be so beautiful. Let me just show you guys. The sun is not yet up, but this is the kind of place I live in. It's beautiful and it is fully green. Let's close from the top. And we are surrounded with like lakhs and lakhs of trees here in Auroville. And we are fully surrounded with oxygen and birds and animals. And we live a very natural and beautiful life here. And thanks to Sri Aurobindo and Mother who created this place. And really thanks to Romil who took this decision in our life for us to move to this place. It is beautiful here. यहाँ पे हम कर्म योगा practice करते हैं और यहाँ पे हम community living practice करते हैं. यहाँ पे हम meditation practice करते हैं. If you can even look it up online, there is a lot of information about Auroville. It is in south of India, near Pondicherry, near Chennai. So people who can visit one time definitely do visit. And yeah, we have some people who also join us from Auroville, like Kanan is one of us here. Kanan is saying, thank you very much. Yes. Yes, Dr. Vijaya, we can definitely plan one meditation trip to Auroville. And yes, we can do one camp like that. Definitely. Once things are normal, once the traveling gets again back to normal, we can announce one good Auroville trip, like, 1 week of Auroville, and where we will also help. We will do like live meditation practice and all of that. Yeah, sure. Why not? Definitely. Yeah, Romil, what do you think? Super. Yes. So yeah, so in both of us, me and Romil, we work as a team. Many people ask us this question also. So Romil is the head and I'm the body, right? So he will think and I will implement, and he's the decision maker and we will go forward for it. And this is how we operate, guys. And so he's the solution giver and I'm the implementer and achiever. Like, we kind of cannot operate without each other. So yeah, मैं और रोमिल ऐसे एक टीम के तरह हम लोग एक काम साथ में करते हैं. So yeah, together, always together. Yeah. So yes, so everyone, anytime if you have problems in your business, he definitely also helps you out. Business, not just business, also with problems with lifestyle and your life. He's also started a beautiful program on his Instagram channel called Total Transformation, where he's going to take everyone through a journey of total transformation. He's putting videos every day on that. You can definitely watch it and you can definitely follow him also. And yeah, so that's about him as well. Total transformation, we have put, I think, 2 videos till now, right? And there are many more to come. So yes, definitely you can follow it along and practice it along with him. He's on a journey and taking you through a journey of total transformation. And it is miraculous. I am doing it with him and it's amazing. Tina, please put this recording of question and answer in the group. Okay, sure. Ramesh ji, benefits of Surya Namaskar. Benefits of Surya Namaskar are lots and lots. Surya Namaskar is like an all-in-one exercise. अगर आप सूर्य नमस्कार का प्रैक्टिस शुरू कर देंगे स्लोली एंड स्टेडीली, तो वो एक ऑल इन वन एक्सरसाइज है जो सारे बॉडी के पार्ट्स को स्ट्रेच कर लेता है. वो आपके स्पाइन को स्ट्रेट करने में हेल्प करता है. इट हेल्प्स यू टू रेगुलेट योर ब्लड सर्कुलेशन. and a lot more. Like, it's a beautiful exercise and it should be practiced correctly. Then Surya Namaskar is a beautiful asana to do every single day. And spiritually also, हिंदू धर्म के हिसाब से हम सूर्य को नमस्कार करते हैं इससे, क्योंकि सूर्य पूरे पृथ्वी पे एनर्जी स्प्रेड करता है. तो हम सूर्य देव को नमस्कार देते हैं और हमारे अंदर वो एनर्जी लेते हैं. सो ये भी एक बेनिफिट है सूर्य नमस्कार का. Wonderful. Thank you very much, Vichu, for joining. Pranav, thank you and your team for this, for wonderful effort. These pranayams keep us focused, active, but at times I feel diverted while practicing itself. How to avoid this? So Pranav, for that only we have kept this class. So while you are practicing this, it is possible that, we get carried away, we get into thoughts. That's why we have this class, to do it together. So keep doing it together till the time your body gets fully used to it, and do the practice every day in the class live with us. That's the solution for that, to avoid feeling diverted. As soon as you will feel diverted, you will listen to my voice and you will come back to present, right? Okay. Ela, one day can you explain Pilates? I'm not an expert in Pilates, but I have a trainer. She's a Spanish lady. She's from Italy. And वो यहाँ पे Auroville में रहती है. अगर उनके पास time होगा किसी दिन, तो I will definitely ask her to come and take one session for us on Pilates exercise. But it will be in English. I will try to explain it in Hindi, translate it with her. But right now she's super busy for the next 1.5 months. So after that, I will definitely ask her if she can. She's an expert of Pilates. She's my trainer also, and she's amazing with it. So yeah, I will surely put more about Pilates as and when I can. Yeah. Sarika, what pranayam for memory, please, can you guide? Again, as I said, this is repeat, right? For memory, we want to increase the oxygen levels of the memory. So Bhastrika will help. Also Anulom Vilom will help, because both the pranayams are directly inhaling upward, to the mind. So both of the pranayams should be helpful. Yeah. So yeah, I want to put in the group. We are live for question and answers, Romil. So even if some people want to join in and have questions, if they're practicing and they want to ask, they can. Yes, we have still 10 more minutes. Wow, Nitya Kalani. I'm 72-year-old. Congratulations for doing this, Nitya Kalani ji, for yourself, and wonderful. Keep it up. How can I get received from backache? Yes, Nitya Kalani ji, backache ke liye aap you can start with slowly cycling. आपको पहले लेट जाना है. लेटने के बाद ऐसे साइकिलिंग करना है पैरों से, लेग्स यूज करके साइकिलिंग करना है. ओके, पहले फ्रंट में करना है स्लोली, और फिर पीछे करना है ऐसा पैरों से साइकिलिंग. बहुत ही स्लोली कीजिएगा, आराम से लेट के, और दिन में जितनी भी बार कर सकते हैं आप ये एक्सरसाइज कीजिए. इट इज वेरी गुड फॉर द बैक. ओके, और अगर आप ढूंढ सकते हैं धनुरासन. धनुरासन इज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड योगा प्रैक्टिस फॉर द बैक, बट आपकी बॉडी टाइप के हिसाब से आपको देखना पड़ेगा कि आप कर पाएंगे कि नहीं कर पाएंगे. और डेफिनेटली अगर आप पैर को तकिए पे रख के सोएंगे तो आपके बैक में इश्यूज कम होने लगेंगे. When you sleep, you put a pillow under your leg and you will see that your back problems will start reducing. Okay. There is one more technique that we follow, but I will not be able to explain it to you right now, but I will just tell it to you in brief. जो crepe bandage होता है, do you know about crepe bandage? So if you tie it on your calf muscles, अपने calf muscles पे अगर आप crepe bandage tightly tie करके रखेंगे, तो उससे भी धीरे धीरे ब्लड सर्कुलेशन ऊपर मूव करके बॉडी में बैक एक कम होने लगेगा. बट इजीएस्ट वे इज पुट अ पिलो अंडर योर leg when you're sleeping or lying down. Try to put the position of the leg little upward like this. ऐसे डाउन फ्लैट नहीं रखना है, लेग्स को थोड़ा ऊपर रख के सोइए. सो इससे आपके बैक में डेफिनेटली बेटर होने लगेगा इवेंचुअली. ओके, आई होप नित्य कलानी जी इट आंसर्स योर क्वेश्चन. Krishna, in our current mechanical and chemical world, without natural supplements also, our pranayam performance will equalize our daily need slowly and steadily. Yes, over the period of 4 to 6 months, it should. But Krishna, it is not true. Even in our current situation with all the chemicals around us, there are still people who are providing with organic food in every city. You have to do some research and find out. And use those products that are organic. Use those products that are chemical free. हर सिटी में है, थोड़ा एक्सपेंसिव है, यस, बट इतना एक्सपेंसिव तो नहीं है कि हमारी बॉडी की हेल्थ के अगेंस्ट जाए, राइट? सो इन योर सिटी, इन योर एरिया, फाइंड फॉर ऑर्गेनिक प्रोडक्ट्स एंड ऑर्गेनिक फूड, organic vegetables, and use that. So you can definitely work on it. Auroville is completely, हम लोग जितना बने उतना हम लोग यहाँ पे सब ऑर्गेनिक खाना ही उगाते हैं, और हमारे स्टोर्स में भी यहाँ पे ऑर्गेनिक खाना मिलता है. And Krishna, as far as I know, you're in Pondicherry. In Pondicherry also there is someone whom I know who supplies organic food. So you can definitely message me and I will send you the contact. Okay. But find in your area as many natural supplements as you can with organic food and with organic things. Okay. It is possible and it is available everywhere. And yes, pranayam will definitely still help you balance all the toxics. So jitne toxics andar hai wo bahar nikalte jayenge. As many toxics you have inside, it will keep coming out. But if you keep putting in toxins inside, it will still keep removing it out. It will not fully go out, right? You have to also reduce to put inside the toxics. Aapko toxics andar dalna bhi band karna hai. Okay? So yeah, it's like a normal science. You have to equalize yourself. Eventually, you will take a long time with the chemical inputs to get the benefits faster. If you stop the chemical inputs and do pranayam, you will get the results faster. That's how it is. Okay. Yeah. पेट कैसे कम करें वासुदा? अभी जस्ट मैंने बताया, आप कपालभाति से पेट कम कर सकते हैं. अवर केमिस्ट्री भारीपन लगा तो क्या करें? I didn't understand इसका मतलब. अवर केमिस्ट्री भारीपन, हाँ, चेस्ट में अगर भारीपन लग रहा है तो क्या करें? अगर आपको चेस्ट में भारीपन लग रहा है तो शायद आपको आपका तकिया चेंज करने की जरूरत है. there is one way that you have to sleep. You have to sleep with your head in line with your body. आपका जो सिर है आपकी बॉडी के स्ट्रेट लाइन में होना चाहिए. तो आपका तकिया उतनी हाइट पे होना चाहिए कि आपका सिर स्ट्रेट हो. अगर आपका सिर ऐसे नीचे जा रहा है सोने के वक्त, तो इवेंचुअली आपकी बॉडी में बैक पेन, चेस्ट पेन, ये सारे पेन्स शुरू हो जाएंगे. अगर आपका बॉडी फुल्ली स्ट्रेट सोएगा, आपका तकिया ऐसा होना चाहिए कि आपका नेक स्ट्रेट रहना चाहिए सोने के वक्त, उतनी हाइट का होना चाहिए, राइट? So yeah, you can do that as well. You can also practice the pranayams regularly and it will reduce the heaviness. आपका जो भारीपन है, रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस प्राणायाम करेंगे उससे भी रिड्यूस होने लगेगा. बट डेफिनेटली आप तकिए को भी चेक कर सकते हो. अगर तकिए की हाइट इनफ नहीं है तो नीचे चादर रख सकते हो. और पेट कैसे कम करना है? डेफिनेटली एक्सरसाइज, करेक्ट फूड, and Kapalbhati also helps. Krishna, I done with that question. Yes, Nitya Kalani ji got the answer. Sarita is asking, as you said, we need to do daily. Can we break it into small sessions, or is it to be done in one sitting? Try to do it in one sitting, because you are warming up your body and you are making it ready, and you're doing the whole series of 30 minutes. It will give more and more benefit if you do it continuously. But if you don't have time and you cannot do it, better than not doing is to do it in 5 minutes small sessions. अगर साथ में कर सकते हैं पूरा का पूरा 30 मिनट तो अच्छा है और ज्यादा फायदेमंद है. बट टाइम नहीं है और नहीं कर सकते तो नहीं करने से बेटर है 5 मिनट के स्लॉट्स में करिए. ओके, बट करना है जरूरी. ओके सरिता. Yes, Vaishali is asking, खाना खाने के कितने समय बाद कपालभाति कर सकते हैं? I think 1 घंटे के बाद you should, depends, आपने बहुत heavy खाया है तो 1-1.5 घंटे के बाद और अगर लाइट खाए तो विद इन 1 आवर 45 मिनट्स भी कर सकते हैं। अपने पेट को पूछ लीजिए, पेट में अगर डाइजेशन फील हो रहा है, हैवीनेस फील हो रहा है तो मत कीजिए, और अगर रिलैक्स्ड फील हो रहा है तो कर लीजिए। ओके, दैट्स द बेस्ट वे। Your body is your best friend and your body is your best doctor. So anytime you have some doubt ये बराबर है कि नहीं है, just 2 मिनट आंख बंद करके बैठिए and ask yourself, one answer will come and follow it. Okay, that's the best way. Next question is meditation. If you can start for us, ma'am. Sure, I'm planning out. I'm removing some time. Romil has to do that because he's the expert. I'm asking him, I'm requesting him to start one meditation journey also. But for now, we are doing, that's why we have included one meditation in the morning, which we are doing every day for 5 to 7 minutes. We will definitely continue for that for sure. We are coming up with a 21 days meditation program also, but we are still planning and we are still creating the whole setup for it. Yeah, Romal? Ila ji, I am doing every pranayam, but only 10 rounds. Thank you so much. That's fine. आप सब कुछ अपने रिदम पे करिए एंड देन रिलैक्स एंड देन वापस से शुरू कर दीजिए। ऐसे आप कंटिन्यू कर सकते हो जितनी टाइम तक हम लोग उसका टाइम स्लॉट रखा है। आप रिलैक्स कर लीजिए, वापस से कंटिन्यू कीजिए, जितने राउंड्स होते हैं इट्स फाइन। धीरे धीरे उसको इंक्रीज करते जाइए। Slowly, slowly you can increase it. Yeah. Dr. Jagruti, for the first 2 days of this course, I used to go back to sleep after the class, but later I decided to hang on. Can I be able to add 1 or 2 productive hours? And hang on, and I can proudly say that I have been able to add 1 or 2 productive hours to my day. Super, very nice. That's amazing, Dr. Jagruti. Yes, this is true. Slowly and steadily, your body will only say that, no, I don't want to sleep and I want to do more work. आपका बॉडी खुद ही स्लोली रेडी हो जाएगा काम करने के लिए और दूसरी सब चीजें करने के लिए। और अभी बेस्ट टाइम है, आप अलग अलग चीजें सीखने में इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं। आपके पास अगर टाइम है तो अलग अलग आपकी हॉबीज जो आपको करनी थी इतने टाइम से, अभी तो कितने सारे ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज अवेलेबल है। गो एंड लर्न समथिंग, दैट्स द बेस्ट वे टू अपग्रेड योरसेल्फ एंड go further ahead also for many more people. Yes, and yes, for all of us who have a lot of work every day, getting up early and doing this session of pranayam will add more and more productive hours and more work in your day. Thank you for sharing, Dr. Jagruti. Wonderful, and keep it up. Kavita, can you please plan for something for kids so that they develop interest in joining practice? Yes, for sure. Start getting in them in the morning, and I will try to address them as much as possible. You put their names in the chat when they join, and I will address them with their name. This will help them to keep continuing the practice. Yeah, and for everyone from 5:15 to 5:30 is the time when I'm able to call out everybody's name, because after that, when we start the practice, I want to focus more on the practice. So everyone who wants to join along with me, come 5:15 to 5:30, where where I call out everyone's names, and especially for kids, if I will call out their name, it will encourage them to come every day. So you can definitely join early by 5:15, between 5:15 to 5:30, and put their names in the chat that today my son so and so is joining, so I can call out his name every day. Yeah. Tina, when I laugh, it ends up with cough. Actually, I have a problem, but I don't know when it's exhale or inhale. It's fine, Tina. It happens because your body is maybe it is a cough type of a body, and just try to spit it out and remove it out. Whenever cough is coming out, it is not a bad thing. It is just taking it out. Laughter is the best medicine, right? So जब आप laugh करते हैं, laughter भी एक प्राणायाम है, तो laughter भी पूरा cough बाहर निकालता है। तो अगर बाहर निकल रहा है तो उसको बाहर निकाल दीजिए, इट इज ओके। एंड अगर खांसी आ रही है तो खांसी कर लीजिए, इट इज ओके। और जैसे ही आप रेगुलर प्राणायाम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, आप देखेंगे ये भी नॉर्मल होते जाएगा। बहुत many people had breathing problem, asthma problem, and with regular practice also they saw that it started getting normal, and also same will happen with this also, with the cough problem also. Okay, so and And it might take sometimes even 5-6 months, 1 year, 2 years. Let it happen, but do the practice regularly. That's important. And as I said, laughter is a medicine. It is an exercise. So if you're laughing, if there is cough, it will get it out and just go and spit it out. That's it. Yeah, it's fine. It's not a problem. Yes, it's a beautiful nature behind. Wow, everyone is ready to join in for the meditation, Auroville meditation camp. Wonderful. We will plan something, guys. Definitely a 1 week program or something for all of you guys. And let situations get normal. Right now, everything is on a lockdown here in Auroville also. So once it is open, we will definitely create some kind of a camp for all of you guys. Okay. Enroll me now itself. Sure. Krishna, we will empower your noble goals always. Thank you so much, Krishna. And also, we have started right now a beautiful academy called Work From Anywhere Academy. Very soon, we are going to come up with some training programs and some more videos on how can you start working from anywhere. Now with the pandemic, with the lockdown, सब कुछ बंद हो रहा है, सब लोग घर से काम कर रहे हैं. तो कैसे आप अपनी ये लाइफस्टाइल क्रिएट कर सकते हैं कि आप घर से भी काम कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं एज अ प्रोफेशनल. वी आर कमिंग अप विद एन एकेडमी कॉल्ड वर्क फ्रॉम एनीवेयर एकेडमी. वेरी सून वी विल बी लॉन्चिंग सम मोर डिटेल्स अबाउट दैट एज वेल. So yes, our mission is to empower and encourage more and more people throughout the planet in all aspects, in health, wealth, relations, and spirit, right? We want to cover up every aspect of our life and make it a balanced life. Ramesh ji is asking, program of 1 week, please tell us also. Sure, Ramesh ji, I will. You and Romil sir are lovely persons. Take the effort to change the life of million people. Thank you so much, Kavita ma'am. Thank you, Nitya Kalani. Thank you, Dr. Vijaya. Thank you guys for your lovely sharings. Krishna, thanks a lot for referring organic vegetable. I have source of nutrition from Neutralite, senior distributor since 2007. Okay, super nice. Ashwini, any solution for varicose veins? Yes, as I had mentioned, you can start with tying a crepe bandage on your calf muscles tightly, very tightly, every day for the full day. When you're sleeping, you remove it out. On both your calf muscles, you tie crepe bandage, and slowly varicose veins also, it will help. And Surya Namaskar also will help. If you can practice Surya Namaskar every day, also it will help. Thank you, Sarita. Thank you, Sarika. Yes, Sarika is asking, should we exercise after pranayam? You can do it anyways. You can also exercise before pranayam session if you can wake up early. And you can also exercise after the pranayam session, because after pranayam also you have already warmed up yourself and you're ready for the exercise. In fact, everybody should do little exercise after the pranayam session every day. थोड़ा सा sunlight ले लीजिए रोज प्राणायाम सेशन के बाद. And when you're taking sunlight, also it has to be taken correctly. You have to take with the windows open. Directly sunlight लेना है, glass के through नहीं लेना है. And if possible, you can go on the terrace and you can do your exercise there. If you have a terrace, you can, if you have access to a garden, you can do it there as well. Open में करेंगे तो sunlight भी साथ में आएगा. So yes, you can do definitely exercise after pranayam. You should do. It is very helpful because in pranayam, your body has got warmed up already. And then you can straight do your workout or yoga or exercise, whatever you have planned for the day. Yeah. Yes, Vasudha, okay, thank you ma'am. Back pain, our neck का problem की वजह से तकिया कम हाइट वाला लेती हूँ. हाँ, तो आपको तकिया कम हाइट वाला नहीं लेना है. आपको तकिया इनफैक्ट इक्वल हाइट का लेना है ताकि आपका नेक स्ट्रेट रह सके. इससे आपका नेक प्रॉब्लम और बैक प्रॉब्लम दोनों सॉल्व हो जाएगा. या In fact, we use special pillows from Dr. Ramnik Gadda, who is a naturotherapist in Mumbai. And whoever knows him, he's really well known. He has created a super nice pillows as per your type. Like, you know, some people need whatever your body type is, he will give you a pillow as per that. So yeah, we use those pillows for ourselves. And after using that pillow, my neck problem, back problem, all of that has got out completely. अगर आप सोने के वक्त हाथ ऐसा नीचे सिर के नीचे रख के सोते हैं तो इससे भी नेक प्रॉब्लम, बैक प्रॉब्लम, चेस्ट पेन ये सब होने लगता है, क्योंकि यहाँ का नस खींचने लगता है. तो आपको आपका हाथ बांध के रखना है ताकि नींद में वो ऐसे नीचे ना चला जाए सिर के नीचे. आपको हाथ सिर के नीचे रख के नहीं सोना है. आपको आपका हाथ नॉर्मल रख के सिर को तकिए पे स्ट्रेट हो एंगल वैसे सोना है. Right? So everyone who has this habit of keeping your hand below your neck and sleeping, this will eventually cause you problems all in your upper body. Respiratory problems, lung problems, heart problems, chest problems, neck problems, eyesight problems. ये सारे के सारे problems इससे होते हैं. Okay? So definitely if you are doing this, for sure stop it. Sometime you can even tie one rassi to your hand when you're sleeping. हल्के से ऐसे neck के साथ ऐसे रस्सी tie कर सकते हैं, या तो यहाँ पे एक चादर रख के सो सकते हैं ताकि हाथ अंदर नहीं चला जाए. यहाँ पे चादर बांध के सो सकते हैं गले पे. हाँ, सो ट्राई कीजिए, प्रैक्टिस कीजिए कि हाथ सिर के नीचे नहीं चला जाए. दैट इज अ बेस्ट थिंग फॉर नेक एंड फॉर बैक. Please post all the question answers of Zoom chat session and video on this WhatsApp group for recalling. Yes, sure. Today is birthday of Kavita. Kavita is the person who introduced me to this group. Very, very happy birthday to Kavita ma'am, who is here with us. And thank you, Kavita ma'am, for joining so many people to this group also. Can we have your video on? We can all see you. Many, many happy returns of the day. Congratulations. And you didn't tell me. So Kavita ma'am is also helping me out, and she's really working so hard to spread this to so many people. And she's the one who's giving you guys missed calls. जितने लोगों ने missed calls के लिए sign up किया सुबह उठने के लिए, she's the one who is disturbing you. And she's the one who is really taking care that you come for the practice. So happy birthday, Kavita ma'am. Many, many happy returns of the day. Thank you so much for joining so many people in the group and for yourself being born today. Many, many happy returns of the day. May your wishes come true. Today is the best day to ask for any wish. Do you know your birthday is a very special day, guys? आपका जब जन्मदिन होता है, when it is your birthday, it is the best day when the doors of universe are open for you, and you can really download positive energy for yourself. जो भी wish मांगेंगे उस दिन पूरा होता है, and it is true. Okay, so ask for a wish right now. We are all blessing you. Make a wish. 1, 2, 3. Tathastu. Tathastu. Very, very wonderful. Happy birthday to you, Kavita ma'am. Thank you so much, Krishna ji, for sharing. She never told me. Great. See, guys, it's a wonderful family that is getting created, and it's a great, energy we all are sharing with each other. Thank you so much, everyone. Meditation, I will also join. Yes, let me continue also. And wish you a very great year, Kavita ma'am. And Kavita ma'am को recently एक बहुत beautiful job भी मिल गया है, and she was so happy. And I'm very happy for you. Very good start for the good year. All the best. Keep it up. Okay, I will just wind up within 5 minutes. I have a few questions. I don't want to miss out on anyone. So please, guys, stick along. थोड़े और सवाल है. I know आपका Sunday morning में ले रही हूँ. बट जितने हम ज्यादा सवाल दूसरों के भी सुनते हैं उतना हमें भी जानने मिलता है. So I don't want to miss out on anyone's question. Krishna, you will shift to Auroville soon. Sure. Welcome. Rakhi, thank you so much. Thank you. Mehan, thank you. Thank you, Sarika. Thanks, Mimansha. Thanks, Urmi. Kavita ji, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Prachi, happy birthday. Yes, super nice. Let me just check if there is any question. Vasudha, thank you. And definitely everyone, whoever has asked questions and whatever I have answered, I want you guys to practice and implement it. It is important to implement it. Likewise, we need your blessings. Yes, for everyone's birthday. Yes, definitely when you join in, if you join between 5:15 to 5:30, I have a time to chat with people. you will put it in the chat that it is your birthday, then I will know it's your birthday. And definitely we can celebrate everybody's birthday like this. Everyone can, have a good start for their year with everybody's positive energy. Hello, Nirmala ma'am. Welcome. Nirmala ma'am is our 5 a.m. group leader. She wakes up every single day at 5 a.m. And yesterday we had an interview with her also, which I'm going to publish very soon. So yes, guys, so there is no more questions. So a few basic questions which I was asked in the past, कि अगर मुझे cough है, cold है, तो क्या मैं प्राणायाम continue कर सकती हूँ? तो yes, definitely. Fever है तो मैं प्राणायाम कर सकती हूँ? Yes, definitely. अगर मुझे चेस्ट पेन हो रहा है, बैक पेन हो रहा है, तो मैं प्राणायाम कर सकती हूँ? यस, थोड़ा सा बैक सपोर्ट लेके आप कर सकते हैं. अगर मुझे एक नॉस्ट्रल बंद है तो प्राणायाम कर सकते हैं? यस, तो डेफिनेटली आपको प्राणायाम करना है उसको खोलने के लिए, राइट. अगर आपको कांस्टेंट बॉडी पेन है तो आपको एक्सरसाइज और प्राणायाम दोनों करना है, और आपके डाइट पे भी ध्यान देना है. आपको थोड़े न्यूट्रिएंट फूड डाइट में ऐड करने हैं, ओके. And the most hottest question for today was about fat. If I am fat, pranayam will help me. Yes, pranayam will help you. If you are fat, it will help you to reduce your fat, right? And it is proven. Okay. Great, guys. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining. Let me share with you quickly a small PPT, because there has been questions of people also asking me, what do I do? Okay, so let me just pull it out. एक छोटा सा इंट्रोडक्शन है, सो आपको सबको डिटेल में पता चल जाए व्हाट डू आई डू. एंड दिस इज आल्सो अ स्मॉल लर्निंग, एक छोटा सा इसमें लर्निंग सेशन भी है. सो लेट मी जस्ट स्टार्ट इट 1 minute. So welcome, guys. You are a part of Lifestyle Academy in this pranayam sessions. It's called Lifestyle Academy. And congratulations to all of you who are a part of this, because this is the first step for you to become your best version, right? It takes an action of a leader to find ways and do the steps to go away from all your difficulties, right? So congratulations to all of you guys. You are an action taker. And we design courses specially for people like you. We design programs that are based on transformation and practical activities based on achievement. हम लोग अचीवमेंट की तरफ सारे प्रोग्राम्स डिजाइन करते हैं, and that's what we are. We help you to get set go, right? So let's know your teacher. Let's see who your teachers are. First of all, Romil Charva, who is a solution strategist. So he's an entrepreneur, he's a Kaizen trainer, he's an expert faculty. He has been into many businesses and many careers. He's also been a career coach. He's a solutions coach. He's an ERP expert. He's a planet planner, a healer. He has worked in more than 20 industries. He's the boss. He's a project leader for many projects. He has taken many workshops in the past. He's an event planner, communication expert, and right now doing a lot of community service here, right? So this is our coach. He has trained so many young minds, especially in the area of architecture, in the area of sustainability, in the area of eco-living, and in the area, he has also trained so many business people in the area of creating solutions for their business and for creating breakthroughs. He is the wonderful solution coach, right? And both of us, we have created a lot of batches called Kaizen, which was a leadership training program. Yes, I call myself a lifetime learner. I have also been working as a professional planner for many entrepreneurs. I have been an achievement coach for entrepreneurs. I'm a transformer, leader, healer, believe that time is money, created more than 100 leaders and trained and transformed. This is both of us. We have trained and transformed more than 10,000 people, including entrepreneurs, businessmen, startups, homemakers, students, all of us. So as an education, I have done masters in counseling psychology. I've done a master faculty and a course designer. This has also been done by both of us, master faculty and course designer. We have been certified as meditation trainers. We have been certified as Kaizen leadership training. We are super memory masters and trainers also. Right now, we are living in Auroville, city of human unity and transformation. We are also trained actors and actresses and business coaches, and we are successful entrepreneurs, and myself a devoted wife to a loving husband, and he's a loving partner back. After doing this for last 18 years, these are our key beliefs. Transformation is possible. Time and space are just concepts. परिवर्तन पॉसिबल है. वक्त और समय समय सिर्फ एक कॉन्सेप्ट है. योर इनर रियलिटी रिफ्लेक्ट्स योर आउटर रियलिटी. जो आपके अंदर बात चल रही है वही आपके बाहर के वर्ल्ड में आपको दिखेगी. लीडरशिप इज अ ट्रेन्ड क्वालिटी. लीडरशिप एक ऐसी क्वालिटी है जो ट्रेनिंग से प्राप्त हो सकती है. बैलेंस एंड काउंटर बैलेंस इज द अल्टीमेट गोल. हम लाइफस्टाइल एकेडमी में यही प्लान करते हैं कि कैसे हम लाइफ में बैलेंस और काउंटर बैलेंस क्रिएट करें, बी इट इन एरिया ऑफ पर्सनल, be it in area of your health, your relationships, your work, your business, in everywhere. Balance and counterbalance is the ultimate goal, and achievement has to be a daily habit, right? These are some of the past workshops that we have been a part of. We have been part of Kaizen leadership training program. As I said, we were the project leaders for that, and we created 108 leaders in Kaizen leadership training program, right? And yes, as I said, I had also worked as a professional planner, dealt with 10,000 tasks, and this is the expertise that we have reached working towards so many tasks and goals. We have, worked in and out and found 3 reasons why any plan fail. This is our expertise in planning and management. किसी भी plan को fail होने के लिए सिर्फ 3 reasons है, is what we have found out. The first one is procrastination, यानी कि आलस या बाद में करता हूं, ये वाला एटीट्यूड. जब आप ये एटीट्यूड से कोई भी काम करेंगे तो आप डेफिनेटली वो प्लान 100% सक्सेसफुल होने के चांसेस कम हो जाते हैं, राइट? सो प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन इज द फर्स्ट रीजन. सेकंड वन इज डिस्ट्रैक्शन. Excuse me. Second one is distraction for people who cannot sit for a long time and don't have focus. And the third one is fear of failure. For people who have fear of failure before starting any project ke shuru karne ke pehle, if you have a doubt or a fear, that's the reason your plan fails. These are the 3 reasons we have seen for any plan to fail till now, right? And after a lot of research and after doing a lot of projects, so we've done a lot of projects like so many of different types of projects like yoga class, Zumba class, dance events, children programs. We have done a special superpower projection class for women cops where I was leading the workshop also. We accomplished our marriage in just 10 days. 10 दिन में तारीख नक्की की और 10 दिन में पूरा का पूरा प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज करके उसको इम्प्लीमेंट किया, and it was beautiful and it was a grand program, a grand marriage. And as I said, Mumbai mein we had done a lot of workshops and trainings, and now in Auroville also we participate in many activities and in many projects. We do a lot of group work here in Auroville. People from all across the nation, पूरे world से सारे countries से बहुत सारे लोग यहाँ पे अभी permanently shift हो गए, और हम लोग उन लोगों के साथ अभी काम करके world level पे problem solve कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. For example, I was a part of this no plastics research program with Wasteless in Auroville, where I had a chance to meet Shri Narendra Modi also in 2018 जब उन्होंने जब वो Auroville visit करने आए थे. So I had a chance, and luckily my photo was captured, and I had a real good chance to talk to him for the next 2 to 3 minutes or something about no plastics, and we had presented him about our research about plastics. And in fact, immediately next दिन ही हमारी ऑफिस में उनकी ऑफिस से फोन आ गया था to ask for all the education material, and they also implemented it in the they started implementing it in the, I think, Tamil Nadu board mein they already took some of our chapters. So that was one of the projects that I was a part of. And then Romil has been a part of Bamboo Research Center, where he has trained thousands of architects and so many young minds to how to build sustainable communities and how to build sustainable houses. How can you build eco-friendly houses and how bamboo can save the planet? In fact, हम लोगों ने bamboo पे एक बहुत बड़ा research farm भी यहाँ पे डाला है. We have planted more than 1,000 plants of bamboo 3 years ago, and it is a 10 years research project. And Romil is the person who has more in-depth knowledge about how bamboo can save the planet. And this is one of our next passionate project as well. Yes, we were a part of this community quiet research center. This is a healing center on the beach in Auroville. So हम लोग last 2 साल इसको manage कर रहे थे और हम लोग इसको पूरी तरह से lead कर रहे थे. And within that time, we got an opportunity to fulfill one of our dreams to have a beach home. We were staying on the beach and managing this beautiful place. And basically, we were completing this project. We were trying to save the land over there. There is a lot of beach erosion problem happening here. So Romil and me together, we came up with this beautiful project. In fact, this was a genius designed by him, and we stopped the land erosion. Every year we were losing acres and acres of land, and for the last 2 years we have no land erosion after this. And there is a story behind this, and this has to be recreated. But yes, this was the project successfully completed. And yes, we also successfully launched our academy that we were doing offline. We launched an online academy recently. I think it has been just 1 year, last lockdown. We launched our academy, and we have so many beautiful results coming out of this academy as well. And yes, these are a list of our few programs. We have something called an achievement gym, where we help you achieve 100%. We have a 21 days pranayam and meditation practice that we are doing right now together. We have a 100% 8 weeks task achievement challenge. So this is a special program where I take very limited people, and we have a 8 weeks challenge where we start one project and we definitely complete it 100%. Then we have a 21 days abundance meditation practice, which we are going to start very soon. 21 days meditation practice on abundance, 2x productivity plan, focus formula, stand out of the crowd, time the time. These are some of the other mini courses and programs that we conduct. And the list goes on. There are many more, but these were a few highlights. And the list goes on. There have been so many sharings. And as you guys have also shared with us so generously, thank you so much for sharing your feedback. It really helps for other people to know further how it helped you. And yes, let me ask you one quiz here. So tell me the difference between you, me, Elon Musk, Amitabh Bachchan, Narendra Modi. यानी ये सब लोग सक्सेसफुल लोग हैं और हम लोग हैं. So हम सब में क्या डिफरेंस है? Anyone, any guess? Can you put it in the chat? What is the secret between these people? Mindset, belief system. So we all have 24 hours, right? फिर भी they have achieved so much more. And what is the difference that we all have 24 same amount of time? Determination, utilization of time. Yes, you're right. So it is the way we all use our time, guys. Time management is the difference between all of us, right? The way they use the time and the way we use the time. So if you guys say that, oh, I have money problem, I have issues with money, let me tell you one thing: money is nothing but your own time. So you have your time, and time is equal to money. So start utilizing your time, and you will see that abundance will start flowing, right? So this is what we do here. We learn together. We are expertised in helping you plan your time, achieve your goals, achieve your dreams. And yes, this is the program that I said, where we take you through these modules with too many tasks and very little time. We help you week by week to cover each and every module, making winning lists, making super action mode, giving you the focus formula, and finally, how do you achieve your goals, right? Taking you from zero to hero, and taking you from whichever stage you are to 100%. 100% is the mission, right? So yes, plan yourself step by step and reach your targets. That is the one thing that you can do, and plan your time very efficiently. Yes, in all our programs, we share you our winning tools that we have implemented and successfully, completed our projects, because we believe in ever learning, never stop learning. हमारा एक ही motto है मेरा और रोमिल का, we never stop learning. Today also, we continuously keep learning ourselves as well. And we also provide personal coaching for individuals, for businesses who are looking for more personalized and in-depth coaching. Because a coach, we have realized we also have coach for whichever area that we are requiring breakthrough. A coach is the person who makes you do it. हमको सब मालूम है क्या करना है, लेकिन हम करते नहीं हैं. So coach वो person है जो आपको push करता है. So that's what we play a role as well as coach, and we work personally with people to become the best version of themselves. Yes, these are some frequently asked questions. Where do I stay? We were both staying in Mumbai earlier. All our relatives are right now in Mumbai. And right now, since last 4 years, we have shifted to Auroville, which is in Pondicherry in Tamil Nadu. So what do I do? I'm an achievement coach and Romil is a solutions coach. And we are both running Lifestyle Academy, Planet Heart. We are launching Work from Home Academy, Work from Anywhere Academy. And likewise, our main mission is to constantly spread the change and spread the transformation in the world. How can I join your programs? Very simple. Send me a message about what you do and what are your concerns, and I will guide you which program is best fitting for you. How can I invite my friends and family members? Can I invite? Yes, sure. And definitely many people ask me this for pranayam and these trainings that we do also. Can I invite? Definitely, please invite. We want to reach out to as many people and give them this benefit. So pranayam sessions are completely free. Don't worry and just invite them and motivate them to join the sessions. Yeah, many people are in fact even giving missed calls to their friends and family every day and joining the sessions together like that. Okay, you're doing really great work, and what is the inspiration behind it? This was also one of the questions that was many times asked. So here is our inspiration behind everything that we are doing, is that we are on a mission to convert planet Earth into planet Heart. We are completely here to create a balance and a counterbalance in the lives of humans. So it is important for us to create a balance in our life to achieve any kind of success, and that's what we work towards. And our mission is to convert planet Earth to planet Heart and give planet Heart for the next 1,000 years to the world, to everyone. And yeah, that's what is our inspiration behind. We want to really spread this out to 700 crore people. That was my mission. And Romil has a dream to really create 60 billion homes for all the 60 billion beings in the world, different type of beings and different types of homes, right? This is what we are on. And this is what is our inspiration: transformation for the entire planet, transformation for the entire world, right? Yes, and many people are in this mentality that whenever they want to start something, they have this: not now. When I have some more time, I will do this. When I finish this, maybe I will start with that. So here is, I want to tell you one message. Whenever you get across something that you want to do and what is something which is good for you, start the process now. Start the learning now. अगर आपने अपने किटी में ऐसे कुछ पेंडिंग चीजें रखी है कि हाँ जब ये हो जाएगा ना बाद में उसको शुरू करेंगे, नो, do it now. Start it today. This is my message for you guys. How to get time, how to become more free, how to start your project, learn everything, but don't delay the process. Start it right now. Okay. And not tomorrow, not later. This is the philosophy which we follow. Do it now and continuously keep moving towards constant improvement, small improvements and constant improvements every day. Okay. If you have any more questions, put it in the comments, send it across, and we will be happy to answer you. Yeah. Thank you so much. And this was a short presentation about us and about our activities, as much as I could cover. I know it was so much, but I tried to put it in the PPT. This was more about Lifestyle Academy. We also run a lot of more other activities and businesses, like, as I said, Work from Home Academy, My Virtual CV program, and likewise Select One Solutions. But yes, basically we are both creating Planet Heart organization. Lifestyle Academy is also a part of Planet Heart organization, and our mission is to spread it to the entire world, to the entire globe. That's all from us, guys. And if you guys have any more questions, please put it down. We will end the meeting in next 2 minutes. Yes, I know Gujarati. I am a Kutchi. I am from, my ancestors are from Kutch. So we are Kutchi, Wagad Kutchi, you can say. And I know Gujarati, mane Gujarati avade chhe. Tamil, Kunjum Kunjum. And yeah, that's about me. How are you managing your time every day for your goals? With the Achievement Gym. So I am also a part of the Achievement Gym. I also practice the Achievement Gym. Dr. Vijaya was with us, right, in Achievement Gym. And many people from here were from the Achievement Gym. So in Achievement Gym, we keep you on day-to-day track with your task. So yes, I manage myself and my times and activities with that. Kavita would like to be a part of your team and serve more people, and please help me out in planning. Yes, sure, I will help you out in planning. I will enroll in Achievement Gym. Please log in and send procedure. Sure. So we have one seat left for tomorrow's batch. We are starting one tomorrow. You can definitely message me and I will send you the details and you can join in for sure. So thank you guys. Thank you for joining and thank you for really being there with us throughout the process. Shukriya सब लोगों को बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you for listening to us. Thank you for being here and love you all. Have a great Sunday. Enjoy yourself. पूरी तरह से अपने आप को टाइम दीजिए, अपने आप के साथ रहिए, फैमिली के साथ रहिए, मजे कीजिए, जो काम है उसको कंप्लीट कीजिए. And have a great birthday, Kavita ma'am. And see you all of you. Bye-bye. Take care. Enjoy. Thank you, Nimifui. Thank you, Sarika. Thank you, Kavita. Thank you, Urmi. Thank you, all of you friends, for being here, for sharing everything. Thank you, Nirmala ma'am. Thank you, Lavangika. Thank you for all you guys for staying along and listening to us. Thank you, Vaishali. Pinky Bhabhi, right? Thank you, Sneha. Thank you, Sarita. Thank you, Rupali. Thank you, Ramesh ji. Thank you, Rakhi, Pranav, Parth. जिनके वीडियोस ऑन नहीं है उनके लिस्ट में से नाम दिख रहे हो. हितांशु, गौतम, दीपाली, चंद्रा, अश्विनी, अनु, अमित. Thank you all of you and enjoy yourself. Feel free to ask questions if you have, and we are always available and we will definitely be happy to guide you and take you forward in your journey towards your life goals, right? Always have your life goal and always have something to work forward for, right? And thank you so much for being on this planet. And thank you. Love you all. Bye-bye. Take care. Spread your positivity, spread your happiness, and take care. Bye-bye. See you.